Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karuzgi Orchid School. I am Pooja Rajmane. I am your computer teacher. Yes, good. Working with Windows. Then what we study Windows is an operating system. Which type of operating system it is? Single user or multi-user? Yes, Windows is an multi-user operating system, and these Windows having four main components. Which are they? Yes, first is a desktop, icons, then taskbar, and last one is a start button, and we studied uses of this component. Now we will see our next part. We will see here. We already studied what is meant by file and what is meant by folder. What is meant by file? File means how to create files also and how to create folders also. A computer file is like a paper document, right? And in one folder we can store more than one files. In one folder we can store more than one files, and file means is like a paper document that contain information which is stored on the computer. And we studied how to create a file and how to keep in folder. Now we will see our next part is file icons. Means we can create different files in that. Means suppose first one is these are the icons, and these are the what is the name of these icons and what is the use of this icon. We will see here. First one is you can see here it is W. W means what? If you Microsoft Word, if you want to type, then we can use this type of Word document. It is Word, right? Word processor. Type of the file is Word processor. Next is what you can see here. Yes, it is P. You can see here it is Microsoft PowerPoint. It is Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to make a presentation, then we can add this type of slides here and we can make a presentation. The file type is presentation file. If you want to make a presentation, that time we are using which file? Yes, we are using Microsoft PowerPoint. Then next one is Excel. It is like our maths notebook. If you want to do any calculation, if you want to write tables or any numeric type of data, that time we use this type of worksheet or we use this type of file. It is Microsoft Excel and it is spreadsheet file. Type of the file is spreadsheet file. You can see here it is like our maths notebook. Got it? Now next one is Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access. If you want to create any database, that time we are using this file. It is database file. Got it? Microsoft Word. First one we have studied Microsoft Word, then Microsoft PowerPoint, then Microsoft Excel, and then Microsoft Access. Now next one is a Notepad. Microsoft Notepad. You can see this icon. It is Notepad. Okay. Now you all are familiar with this. What is this? Yes, paint. Everyone like this paint. If you want to draw any shapes, then we can use the paint and we can give the color also in that. It is the picture file. It is picture file. Paint is a picture file. Paint is a picture file, and Microsoft Notepad is a text file. Microsoft Notepad is text file. Paint is a picture file, And now next one is, you can see this icon, Microsoft Windows Media Player. If you want to see movies or if you want to listen any sound, that time we are using this Microsoft Windows Media Player. Got it? Use of these icons, use of these files. And last one is WAMP. It is useful for only listen the music, means sound file. In Microsoft Windows Media Player we can listen sounds also, we can see movies also, but sometimes if you want to listen only music, that time we are using the WAMP, WINAMP, WAMP. Got it? These are icons, programs and type of files. Organizing the file and folder on the computer is important, just as it is important to organize our study table, library, wardrobe, etc. It helps to access data or information when required easily. Why we need this or organize this all data? If you not organize this all data, then when we want this data, when we require this data, that time we can't get it easily. But if we store it proper place, then we can get it easily. For example, when we are sitting for study, we are taking all notebooks, all books, but when we are keeping this in study table, keeping this on study table after studying, if we keep like that, then afterwards if we want only book, that time we get it easily? No, we can't get it easily. But if we keep it in proper way, means one side books, one side notebooks, one side skill sheet, then we can get it easily. Why files and folders organization is important? Got it? Now next part is what? Working with files and folders. Working with files and folder. How to create file and how to create folder on the desktop. Creating a new file or new folder on the desktop. If you want to create a new file on the desktop, that time how to create this new file we will study here. It is our desktop, right? The first screen is appear when the first screen is appear on the on the monitor when we start the computer, is called as a desktop, right? Is called as a desktop, and this is our first screen, and we want to create one folder on the desktop. Then how will we create? It is our empty place, right? How many buttons mouse have? Don't see here and there, see here only. Yes, how many buttons mouse having? 3 buttons mouse having. First one is a left button, right button, and middle one is a scroller button, right? Then if you want to create a new folder on the desktop, then how to create? Firstly click these are mouse, right? This is the mouse, left button, right button, and middle one is a scroller button. We have to press how to hold the mouse like that, okay? How to hold the mouse? Then if you want to create a folder, then we have to press which button? On mouse right button. Then you can see this type of menus will appear. Menus will appear. Then we have to take a new folder. Then we have to press the new. When we go here new, then all remaining these menus will be appear. When we click the left button, then also click, and then what you want? Folder. We want only folder. Then take folder. Okay. And it is only written here folder, but we have to give name my school, my school and then enter. Okay, you can see here folder my school. Understand how to create folder? Click the right button on the blank space and then afterwards click the new and afterwards click the new folder. Then we will get the folder. Then we can rename this, or we can give the name as a my school. We can give any name which we want. Suppose I want to give my roll number to that folder, then also we can give the name, this roll number also. Next number is step to create a new file on the desktop. What we create now? We create one folder. Now we want to create one file in that folder. What we create first? We create one folder. Now we want to create one file. Okay, how to create file? Here also we can create file, but my school is my folder. Then if we store in that folder only, then it is easy to find out. Then I will store here only. Then how to create in that? Firstly, double click. Which click? Right click or left click? Good. Left click. Which click? Left click. Two time continuously click is called as a double click. Then we will get this type of window, means this folder is open, right, and this folder is empty, and we want to create one file in that folder. Then how to create? Same procedure. This is empty place, then click the right button, then new. But here what we want? We don't want any folder, we want a file. We want file. That's why we will take, these are the files. Database file, now only we have studied database file, this bitmap image, this Microsoft Word, PowerPoint. Now we will take here Microsoft Word document. Okay, Microsoft Word document, and these are the blue color you can see here. Then we will give this file name as a time table. Now what it is? It is one file. And my school, you can see here, which folder is open here? My school. It is what? It is folder. And in that folder, what is one file? What is the name of this file? Timetable. Got it? How to create a new file and how to create a new folder. It is so easy. Now next one is moving the file into a folder. How to move file into a folder? Now we created in that folder only. Our file is not outside, but sometime if our created file is outside and we have to keep this file in our folder, then how to create, how to move this file in a folder? We will see here. You can move the file on the desktop in the newly created folder to clean up your desktop and organize your computer work. Move the file timetable to the My School folder on the desktop by using the drag and drop option. Drag and drop the file over the file in which you want to move it. Okay, we will see what is meant by drag and drop. Means here is the so many files are there, means we cannot find it easily. If you want something, we can arrange these all files in My School folder. How to keep this all file in My School folder? Firstly, click. Which click? Yes, left click. Then press it continuously. don't leave the finger, press it continuously and keep here. Got it? How to move the folder? Move means what? This folder is not here, now this folder is in that folder. Move means this folder is not here, the copy of this folder is not here. We will see once again here. It is one PowerPoint. Then we will, for which button? Yes, left button. Press it continuously and move into that folder. It is called as a drag and drop. Drag means taking and drop means keeping. Take it this file from here and keep it in our or where we want in that folder. Okay? Understand? Drag and drop. Drag and drop option. Copy a file into a folder. What is meant by move and what is meant by copy? We will see it afterwards. Next is a opening an existing file or a folder. Means this file is in our computer, and how to open this file or how to open this folder? First is a double click to that folder or the folder icon on the desktop to open it. Okay? Suppose I want to open this folder. Then how to open this folder? Double click. Double click means what? Continuously click 2 times left button. Continuously click 2 times mouse left button. See here. You can listen also. This wise. I will do once again. Continuously 2 times. And how to open these files? These are the files, right? These are files. Then how to create these files? Continuously press the 2 times. Then yesterday means in last period only we created this. Then this file also we can see here. Understand how to create this how to open this file or folder. Next one is right click the icon. One more step to open. Firstly click the go in that folder, then right click. Which right click? If you want to double click, that time we have to press only left click 2 times, left button 2 times. Then another method is click the right button, and where you can see the what we want to do, we have to open it. Then we can click the open. For open button, for open option we have to click the left button. Then this also open. For same also, for folder also it is same. Click the left, we can open this. Click the, firstly select it means left button, then afterwards and open. Right button and then left button. Understand how to open the file or folder. Now next one is renaming the file or folder. Rename means firstly name we have given, but now we want to rename it. We want to rename it. How to rename it? We will see here. What they are given step. We will see here step. And what is the exercise for us? Rename the folder called My School. We created My School folder. Now we have created My School folder to your name. For example, Rohan means My School folder. Give the new name. We will give Rohan. Okay? And one file also we have created. Which file we have created? Timetable. This timetable also we have to rename, and then new name is what? My School schedule. Okay, we will see here how to rename the file. click the left button here. Firstly click the left button, then click the right button, then click the right button. You can see here this menu will be displayed different types of menus, means cut, copy, paste, create shortcut, delete and rename. What you want now? Rename. Then click the left button, click the left button, rename. You can see here now rename option is there. Now we will type the name Rohan. Got it? How to do the renaming file, rename file, how to do rename file. Okay, our new my school is renamed as a Rohan. We can give our own name, no problem. And how to open it? Because our timetable file is inside that folder. How to open it? Good. Double click on that folder. But which button we have to double click? Right or left? Left. Then timetable file is here. We have to rename it. Then click the right button. Then also we will get the different menus. Then what do we want now? Rename. Then click the rename, and which name we have to give here? My school schedule. My school schedule, and click the enter. You can see here my school schedule. Got it? How to rename the files and how to rename the folder. Understand everyone? Any doubt? Okay. Now next one is renaming finish. What we studied in that lesson, in that episode? Firstly, how to create the file, then how to create the folder, then afterwards how to open the folder, and then afterwards how to rename the folder. Now next one is move. How to move? Moving a file or folder. You can move a file or folder from one location to another by using copy and paste option. Copy or cut and paste option. Step 2, move a file or folder. If you want to move means what? Move means what? The copy of this folder is not here. Move means what? Move means cut. This folder is cut from here. How to move? How to move this notepad in this Rohan, means in that new folder. This is one file and this is one folder. How to move this file into that folder? It is our one file, right? How to move it file? Click the right button, then you can see move means what? Cut and paste. Move means what? Cut and paste. Then cut it, then open where we want to move it in this folder, then double click means it open, then in blank place open, click the right button, then paste. This notepad is here. You can see here. We will do once again. This database, this access file, if you want to move in that folder, then how to move? Click the which button? Right button, then cut, open it and click on the paste. Then this file is erased from here, cut from here, and it will go here. Got it? What is meant by cut and paste. Cut and paste means move. Cut and paste means move. The copy of this file is not outside, it is in that folder only. Now next one is copying the file or folder. How to copy? Move means what? The copy of this same folder is not in desktop, is not on desktop, but copy means what? The copy of this one file is here also and here also. Means how to do copy? Click the, if you want to do copy of this fourth in that file, then click on the which button? For each and everything. Means if you want to copy, if you want to do cut, that if you want to do rename, if you want to take a new file, if you want to take a new folder, that time we must have to click the right button on the mouse. Click the right button, then what we want? We don't want to cut this file from here. We want only one copy with us. One copy with us. Then click on the copy. For clicking the copy, which button we have to use? We have to use, yes, left button. Copy. Then open this file. Then same procedure. Click the which button? Click the right button, and you can see here paste. This file is here also and this file is here also. Copy means what? This file is here also and this file is in our folder also. Got it? This file is outside also and this file is in our folder also. And what is meant by move? Move means this file is not outside, this file is in our folder only. Understand difference between cut and paste and copy and paste. Copy, what is meant by copy? You can also create you can also create more than one copy of your file or folder by using the copy and paste command. Understand? Copy and paste means we can do duplication of this file. Means this file is here also and this file is there also. But if you want to move means what? Cut. This file is cut from here and it will go in our folder. Now next one is deleting a file or folder. How to delete created file or folder? A file or folder which is not longer required should be deleted. Otherwise it will unnecessarily keep on occupying the disk place. Suppose we don't want this file. This is our file, right? We want this file now? No, we don't want this file. Now how to delete it from our desktop? It is one file and we want to delete this file. How to delete? Click the which button? Right button only. Then you can see this type of option will be open. We want to open it? No. We want to copy of this file? No. We want to cut this file? No. If we cut here, then we must have to paste somewhere. But we want to delete here. We want to delete it permanently. We don't want this file. If you want to rename this file, no. If you want to only delete this file, then click on delete. Click on delete. What they are asking? Are you sure you want to move this shortcut into a recycle bin? Yes, we want to delete it. Then press the S. Then this folder is deleted from our desktop. What we studied? We studied how to create file, how to create folder, how to move the file in the folder, how to copy and paste, how to cut and paste, how to rename the file, how to rename the folder, and how to delete the file. Remaining part we will see afterwards.